One, two, three, four. On today's home tour, we'll be taking a look at this beautifully renovated property in Stone Mountain, Georgia. This 5-bed, 3-bath home offers a dynamic living experience by accommodating a range of lifestyles. The beautiful kitchen, complete with quartz countertops and black stainless appliances, the hardwood floors throughout the first level are only some of the highlights of this week's tour. One of the things I love most about this home are the smart home features, such as the keyless entry, Nest Learning thermostat, and USB outlets. All this sitting on a massive lot with a calming creek along the back of the property. This home is sure to not disappoint. But I'll let you take a look around for yourself and meet you back here. Alright guys, that wraps up this week's property tour. I hope you all enjoyed it. This has been a beautiful home. One thing I did not mention on the home tour is that the county has decided to install a 2-acre park just right on the other side of the creek. So whoever buys this home is going to have a wonderful playground for their kids, their family, literally walking distance from their home. I hope you enjoyed this week's property tour. Please be sure to like, comment, and share and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Thanks.